Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video. My name is Taylor, this is my wife Blair, and of course our puppy Bella. You're going to be checking out our 2017 Jayco. This is our SLX J-Flight 175 RD. A couple days ago, it's been about a year since we've owned it, and Blair approached me and said that she wanted to do a couple things. So what do you got in mind?
So we've been camping in our camper now for over a year, and we've really enjoyed it. But we kind of wanted our camper to be more of an extension of our house. We wanted it to look like something that would be in our house. And the fixtures and the counters and the floors, it's not something that I would want in my own home. And so I had watched a few YouTube videos of people renovating some older campers, and it just got me thinking that it wouldn't be very difficult for us to make this something that we would enjoy more and look like something that we would live in. So we just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like now, our before video, and then we'll give some updates later on what we've done.
Alright, let's take it out.
So over here is our bed. Right now we just have our foam mattress on it with nothing, and we're washing the sheets because we're going to go camping this weekend. So what I want to do is I want to paint all of the cabinets a nice bright white color, and then I want to paint all of the walls like a light gray, because all of this brown and beige is just not pretty. So I want to kind of dazzle it up a little. So over here in the kitchen area, we don't really have anything for backsplash, so we're going to add in some stick-on tiles here, just to kind of give it that look like we've got a backsplash. And again, all of the cabinets are going to be painted white and the walls a light gray. We're going to keep the sink and the stove and the microwave and all of that just the way it is. And then the countertops, eventually, I don't know how soon we're going to get to it or what we're going to do exactly, but I kind of want like a white marble or like a white granite finish on the countertops.
And back here is going to be the dinette portion. It's really cool. That's a U dinette that will turn into a small sleeping space. We've only had like one or two people try it out as far as sleeping. Obviously, this is where we spend a lot of time if we're eating or playing a game, or if we're just kind of hanging out in the morning drinking coffee. There's going to be a couple of things back here that we're really going to try to do again over time. The first thing is going to be this table. We're going to have it with the overlay that matches the rest of the countertops and everything, whatever we decide to go with. Of course, behind us we're going to have the same painted wall, and we'd like to recover the kind of cocoa colored cappuccino stuff back here. Again, that's going to be depending on time and what we can do, but again, just have it completely recovered to match the rest of the theme inside. I'll have to show this portion wall. We're going to want to do a really nice little wood appearance accent wall with, again, some decal vinyl overlays. That'll really complete the whole transformation of what we're trying to accomplish back here. I think it'll be really cool, and there's nothing wrong with the colors here, but we just want to make it our own since it's going to be something that we're going to spend a lot of time in. So that's our camper as it is today. One thing I forgot to mention earlier when I was in the back talking about stuff is Blair is also wanting to maybe put a coating on the floor. Again, they sell some very thin vinyl or maybe like a decal type of laminate to give it a wood appearance. Is that kind of what you want to do?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Again, to just take it one step further. These are things that, again, we'll have to look into as far as cost and time. Blair is right now on spring break, so she needs a project for the week, and I'm all for it because, again, we're going camping this Friday, so we might as well take the time that we've got and see what we can get done. So here we go. Now we're going to start the process.